by everyone but the best. Then I found a very special love with you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. I found a very special love with you, and it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go. You're not like the rest. I know you're one of the best. You give more than you should and take nothing in return. But stay always with me, and I always will be the one person that you